Hey everybody, Cole here with Classic Mini DIY, and on today's episode, we're not going to be doing any mini stuff, so stay tuned. Okay, so on today's episode, I am kind of in between projects as we speak. The early 998 is not done at the machine shop. There were a few issues with the valves that are getting worked out currently. Basically, we thought we didn't need some, ended up needing some. So that put a delay on when I got the engine back. And actually, I might have a little bit of stuff to do on Bad Wolf, but I'm not quite ready to do a full episode on that just yet. It's really not totally buttoned up. But there's a few kind of odd things that I wanted to do around the shop here. Specifically, I want to restore and make this not red. I guess it's not really restoring because I painted this red, and now that it's been red for a little while, it's super hard to like adjust the color for episodes. So there's a channel I watch called Restore It, and it's really just like 30 minutes plus of time lapse where he takes something completely apart, cleans it up, restores it. You know, crazy. Restore It is the channel name. I guess it's not really that obvious, is it? I don't know. But what I'm gonna do is kind of try that whole like deal. He doesn't have any music over his, and I like music behind my time lapses. So that'll be a little bit different, but let's disassemble this. But if you like seeing stuff get cleaned and nice and pretty, this is gonna be the episode for you. If you don't, and all you care about is mini stuff, then the next one's probably the one you're gonna wanna watch. So join me as I take apart this bench vise. All right, that's it for this episode. I have a blue bench vise now, super exciting stuff, as you can see. I hope you guys enjoyed it, but until the next episode, enjoy those minis and motor on.